Welcome to The Interest. I'm Ryan Kingsley. Happy Tuesday, everyone. It's time to talk tech with our own Shane Kidwell. And after that, follow Steve Richman down the road to riches. We'll have those exclusive segments coming up. But first, home equity securitizations disappeared in the wake of the great financial crisis, as personal loans and credit cards replaced second lien home equity products. Until now, I had the chance to sit down with several home equity lenders about their experiences.
The securitization opportunity that's really where our bet is. Securitizations of these products are going to be more and more common.
And yet, before the great financial crisis of the late 2000s, home equity securitizations were big business.
Each of those years had quarterly issuance that was over $5 billion. Those were the big years for that.
Nevertheless, rebuilding securitization channels doesn't happen without meeting challenges.
There was a gap for a very long period of time in terms of investors, rating agencies really understanding the product, which is what you need to do to get the product from origination to having a successful securitization.
Which is why home equity lenders are chasing ratings for their securitizations.
Having a rating is very helpful so that investors who maybe wouldn't play without a rating, who might either need it because that's part of their mandate or who just are more comfortable knowing that a rating agency rated it, it opens up the universe of people who can buy the product.
In 2023, CLTVs are 20 points lower, and weighted average FICO scores are 50 points higher than they were for home equity originations in 2006. Lacking historical data, investors want to know, how does this affect credit performance?
There's likely to be more securitizations, likely to be more lenders, and the space will continue to expand.
Home equity originations are down from last year, but they still made up around 20% of all originations in the second quarter.
Even with expansion, we have not seen any signs of sort of weaknesses in the collateral pools that we've reviewed. I think the transactions we rated had fairly consistent collateral attributes, which is a good sign.
To read more about how lenders and rating agencies are expanding the market for home equity-backed securities, head on over to mortgagebankermag.com. For The Interest, I'm Ryan Kingsley.
Angel AI is revolutionizing the home financing process. Here to tell us about it is Pavan Agarwal, the CEO of Celigence, the company behind this new amazing app. Tell us how Angel AI is helping the home financing process.
We use empathetic AI technology, so Angel AI understands the emotions behind human inputs so that the application to approval to close of a mortgage is nearly free of human touch and free of human error, and is lightning fast compared to the manual standards of the real estate industry today.
What about the people who have found it hard to get a mortgage?
Angel AI has made the approval process for mortgages fair and transparent, such that we have cut the decline rates for minority communities by half relative to the national average. Just go to angelai.com or click the Ask Angel AI Now button and ask Angel AI your home finance questions, or simply ask her to send you one of these cool free t-shirts. Angel AI has transferred the home financing business and made it fairer and easier for everyone.
If you don't have a good CRM, you need to get one today. It's not necessarily because you need it today. It's because when you need it, in 6 to 12 to 24 months, as the market rebounds, it's too late to start building it. One of the things to keep in mind is if your CRM doesn't include integrated text messaging, it's not going to work. We see that SMS communication is the number one form of communication, followed closely by social media. Your emails actually rank quite a bit lower. People don't want to read emails. They want to get a text message where it's convenient. They can access it right on their phone. Make sure that no matter what CRM you use, it integrates with Twilio, which is the number one SMS company out there. This will allow you to send regular text messages, media text messages, V-cards, and much more.
Is knowledge power? No. knowledge is not power. Power is derived from how you use your knowledge. And now I'm going to show you how to grow your sales. I'm going to show you how to do more loans. Why? Because I'm going to introduce you to IMA. Information, message, mindset, action. See, information by itself isn't going to help you. But when you take that information and you get the right message, how to communicate about that information, when you have that information and then you get the right mindset about that information, and when you get that information and you take action upon that information, that's going to help you grow your sales. It's going to help you grow more loans. So I'm going to help you do both those things.
For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to nationalmortgageprofessional.com.